Okay, so it has been a very interesting past couple weeks, and I want to share it with you guys because it's kind of life, and life has ups and downs, and I think it's appropriate. A couple weeks ago, Emma and I got some news that changed our lives forever, and we're super excited about it. But it changed the game a little bit and how we are gonna live our future and the plans of everything. With the start of that is I started looking for a more steady income, or I was looking for an actual job. The whole COVID thing definitely put a damper on my whole video stuff, but why I got into video was not just because I wanted to make videos, but it's because it's something that I really enjoyed doing. And I always wanted to do a job that I enjoy doing. I don't want to be happy just 50% of the time I'm working. I want to be happy 75% of the time that I'm working, because I know that it's work and that I'm not going to be happy the entire time, but I don't want to look back in the next 30, 40, 50 years and regret the jobs that I was doing. I want to make sure that I'm serving a bigger purpose and that I'm working as hard as I possibly can to build as much as I can and to help out as many people as possible. So I wanted to find a job that I was 1, happy about, 2, excited about, 3, I was able to use all of my skills and things that I've accumulated over the past couple years, so management, marketing, video, building things, the whole creative side of stuff. So I wanted to find a job that I could kind of use all of my skill sets that I've accumulated over the past couple years. And an opportunity came up, and we were super excited about it. Well, today is a very bittersweet day. Very exciting, kind of a bummer, but very exciting. This place is a wreck though. I need to get this thing organized again. Life is crazy, man. Might as well try. Alright, here we go. Big trip. Bunch of nice, fun, exciting things. Alright, let's go to Asheville. You wear me down. My actions won't be forgiven. So that new job was actually in the area that we really want to be in. Emma and I together have traveled 44 states, and North Carolina is our favorite state. It's got the mountains from her, and it's got the beach for me, and it's in between both of our families from Tennessee and Philly and Virginia. So it's just a good common ground for us and where we want to be and raise a little family.
The money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Cause bitch, I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems, I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage, I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression, it's all that I wanted. The phone and affection, I summon and dub it. Why you be all in my line about nothing?
And that job was actually to do school bus stuff out in Asheville, North Carolina with the company, and also make videos. I went out there thinking that I was going to be able to do video marketing and branding and management and structural stuff, and also work on school buses and help build these school buses. But 16 gallons from the house to Lebanon. Kind of a little bit better than I thought. I'm guessing it's going to be like $100 to get $100 for the gas or diesel. I think it's like 380 miles. So not great, but considering this is everything we own, it'd be a lot more expensive to pay somebody to take all this stuff. I'm curious how many miles per gallon we got. 164 miles. So we got 164 divided by 17.16 gallons. We got 9.5 miles to the gallon. Probably an average of 60 miles an hour. That's better than I thought. Almost 10 miles to the gallon. Tell you what, freaking hot today though. Good grief. Alright. Now we're in North Carolina. It says we're 8 minutes, 5.7 miles from our destination. So, alright, here we go. the job didn't work out actually. His goals and ambitions are different than my goals and ambitions, and what he wants in life and what I want in life for my family. They didn't meet up, and that's fine. Very cool people, very nice company. I'm glad to have met them and have that connection now. It just didn't work out, and honestly, it's really hard. It was a really big letdown. It was everything that we thought we wanted. I mean, it was in the area that we were happy about. It was close enough to her family, close enough to my family. It was good income. It was a job that I thought I was going to be able to use all of my skill sets, but it just didn't work out that way. And it sucks because we're trying to start our lives and have our own sense of ownership and own sense of pride in what we do, and it just put a damper on that. So now I'm kind of like looking again, and I want to share this with you guys because it's something that I need to hear myself. And it's like that just because it doesn't work out doesn't mean it's not going to. Like, I've got this fear instilled that maybe I'm not cut out for this stuff, and that maybe my goals for what I want in a job just aren't possible. Like, I don't want to just wake up, clock in, do a job, and clock out. I want to work hard every single day, and I want to build something. Like, I want to try and fail over and over and over again to be proud of what I'm doing and to be proud of the people that I'm working with. I want to impact people's lives, and I want to change people's lives, and I want to work 50 to 60 hours a week to do that, because that's what makes me happy. Like, I wish that I was able to just be content with waking up, doing a job, and clocking out, but that's just not who I am. And like I said, I wanted to share this message with you guys because just because it doesn't work out doesn't mean it's not supposed to. So I'm going to continue to try and figure this out and find the job that is appropriate for me. And I will continue to look for a job that I'm able to use my management skills, I'm able to use my creative abilities and my videography, and also like building things and building a cool company and making cool stuff. Like, that job is out there, and maybe it's just gonna take a little while to find that. So I guess I'm a little stressed because like we have a lot going on, and I'm just trying to get this bus finished so that we can like move into it, and Milo can have his space, and Emily and I can have our space, and we can like start having a home again. I'm ready to like have my family in my space, and I'm kind of just tired of living with friends and family, and I want that sense of ownership again because it just makes me happy, and it's something I'm really proud of. So it's all good. Like, it is a big bummer that job didn't work out, but I'm gonna keep my head up and I'm gonna continue to try. And those losses are not just losses, but they're lessons learned, and there's things that you now know that you didn't know before, and it kind of narrows it down to putting you where you want to be. So yeah, a little bit of a short video. I appreciate you guys watching. Like it if you like it, dislike it if you don't like it. If you guys know anybody that needs anything in regards to what I was talking about, like, please let me know. I'd love to help. And yeah, we'll keep doing this thing. The bus is coming along. It's coming along a little bit slower than I thought. This whole COVID thing really kind of put a damper on some stuff. A lot more than I thought. But it's coming. I'm proud of it. I'm learning a lot. And yeah, thanks guys. Oh, hold on. Psst, hey. Psst. Is she? Oh. Rah!